To the average person, this looks like a Himalayan 411. What stands behind me is a motorcycle that confuses you in the best possible way. The more you look at it, its stance, its tank, its wheels, the more interesting it starts to get. This right here is the Himalayan 440 Latitude by TNT Motorcycles. And in this video, let me take you through all that has been done on this one. Let's begin. To give you a bit of context, TNT Motorcycles, Tools and Tattoos, was started by two friends, Nitin and Naveen. Now, what started as a small customization project evolved into something much, much bigger. It is now India's biggest names in the custom motorcycle industry. Now, the basis of starting this 411 project was to address the previous Himalayan, the OG Himalayan's shortcomings, which was it felt severely underpowered on highways.
It should have had a sixth gear because fifth gear on the highway seems one too less.
Gearbox felt a little clunky and you couldn't overtake with confidence. So, keeping those two particular shortcomings in mind, this was designed. So let me start that by saying this one features a 21-inch front wheel and better survivability. These are directly borrowed from the new Himalayan 452. These are cross-poked tubeless wheels. This one also features an LED headlight for better visibility at night. Yes, you also can install aux lights on this, but this one has a pretty good throw. It does not lean that much on the ground, thanks to the previous design, which was pretty good. Now, we all know how the stock mirrors on the Himalayans always come loose. So, to tackle that, they have double take mirrors for better visibility and better endurance, I would say. Also, it features a custom handlebar, which gives you a pretty relaxed riding position. The clutch here feels very, very smooth. And, do you see? It features adjustable front suspensions. This entire setup is YSS. So it severely improves your ride quality and increases your confidence while riding this motorcycle. Now, as I move towards the middle of the motorcycle, you will see this. This, in my opinion, is the highlight of this motorcycle. It looks like a 411 tank, but a closer look would actually reveal a very small yet crucial detail. This tank is made of aluminium. It is of 21 liters, which is significantly higher than the previous Himalayan 411, which I believe was at 14 liters. Aluminium because it will not get rusted. Much more lighter than the metal fuel tank of the previous motorcycle. So it does offer you a considerable amount of weight savings as well. This is my favorite bit, aluminium tank. It just looks amazing. And the rear is also a cross-poked tubeless wheel directly taken from the Himalayan 450. The sizes are 21 inch in the front and 17 at the rear. The rear tire is of course 140 millimeters, which, if you think about it, the Himalayan 411 should have featured. The chunkier rear tire is much needed for touring. Coming towards the back, features a beautiful TNT Motorcycles logo. And if you take a closer look at this, it also features adjustable rear suspensions from YSS. It is absolutely phenomenal. It changes your ride quality superbly well. And yes, this does feature an exhaust by Power Rage. Let me make you listen to its exhaust note. I have to admit, that exhaust note sounds much peppier than the stock one. And if you really look at it, it does remind you of the Sunset Strip variant of the Interceptor 650, right? Also, whatever I described were the visual changes that have been done. Now, what you can't really see, and that's a secret sauce, is that this engine, this gearbox features a sixth gear, which was much needed for the 411 because it just felt that on the highways it lacked power and it was struggling to be at the speeds of 110, 120. And thanks to a sixth gear in this one, this thing can keep up to speeds of 120, 130, 110 with ease. Now I know what you must be thinking. Hey Shri, how much does this modification cost? Well, I'm getting to it. Hold on. This, being a prototype variant, also features a waterproof USB socket and Powertronic mods for enhanced performance. Now, all of these mods have been packaged into three simple options for existing 411 owners. Package 1 is performance oriented, which features a 440cc conversion and an addition of sixth gear, which will cost you 38,000 rupees. The second package is focused on enhancing the range aspect of the 411 and features this beautiful 21 liters aluminium tank. Benefits of having an aluminium tank: it will never get rusted and it is considerably lighter than its metal counterpart. This will cost you 34,000 rupees. The third package improves the survivability of the 411, which means you get cross-poked tubeless wheels with their custom hubs, revised brake setup. By the way, the 411 came with 300mm front disc. This one features 320. This package will cost you 76,000 rupees. The bike also features tighter and sticker crash guards, which are designed to provide maximum specialized protection to the engine without the excessive bulk or weight of the traditional massive engine guards. Now, guess what? All of these mods and packages that I just discussed are bolt-on fit, which means there was no cutting involved, there was no drilling involved. The only catch is, if you're interested in any of these packages or any of these mods, you'll have to come and drop your motorcycles at the TNT Delhi workstation. That's about it. While this prototype does indeed feature a Power Rage exhaust, a Powertronic, and YSS adjustable front and rear suspensions, however, these mods are available on request and not included in the package. This particular motorcycle is part of Uncustom series that TNT Motorcycles is currently working on, and they will feature a lot more motorcycles in the future. So make sure you check out their Instagram handle and their website, which I have mentioned in the description below. And if you like this video, do consider giving it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel as well. Do mention your thoughts in the comments below and I will reply to each one of you. Thank you so much for watching. This is Shri.